Welcome to another fabulous installation of HCL Home Assistance Specialist. This zero-edge spa pool has all you need to relax and enjoy some time off with your friends and family. This pool has 4 spa jets with solar panels to heat up the water. This entire setup is fully automated and can be controlled from your smartphone. The amazing rock wall blends in so perfectly with the pool, and below decking fits seamlessly without a screw in sight. We can build any design pool with all the features you required. Connect with us today to find out how we can improve your home.